How to enable USB debugging on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to enable USB debugging on Android phone. First, then open settings and now scroll down until you find here this one, about phone, and here we'll find this one, build number. Just click on it 5 times and then go back, and here we'll find system and updates, and here we'll find developer options, and you can just type here developer options and click on it, and now just scroll down until you find here USB debugging, and here you can enable it. Just click on it and click OK, and then just go back, it will be saved. And that's how to enable it, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.